You're looking at a 2022 Buick Enclave Premium all-wheel drive. This Enclave is a one-owner vehicle. There are no accidents reported on the vehicle history report. The tires are in great shape, and the Buick runs and drives quiet and smooth. If you want all the latest tech and third-row seating, this is the crossover for you. It has a 3.6-liter V6, 9-speed automatic. Safety features include Buick Driver Confidence Plus, IntelliBeam Auto High Beam, Rear Park Assist, Forward Collision Alert, Following Distance Indicator, Rear Cross Traffic Alert, Lane Keep Assist with Lane Departure Warning, Automatic Emergency Braking, Lane Change Alert with Side Blind Zone Alert, Front Pedestrian Braking, Front Park Assist, Safety Alert Seat, Heads-Up Display, High Definition Surround Vision. Features include perforated leather appointed seats, second row captain's chairs, third row is a power folding bench seat, front seats are power adjustable with massage feature, heated and ventilated. The second row captain's chairs are also heated, rear camera mirror, Buick infotainment system with 8-inch diagonal multi-touch display with navigation, voice recognition, Bluetooth audio streaming, wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Bose premium sound, wireless charging, power tilt and telescopic heated steering wheel, tri-zone auto climate control. As you can see, the features on the Enclave are massive and the safety features are very comprehensive, keeping your family happy, safe and sound. For more information about this vehicle, or to see our large selection of quality vehicles, go to carfactorymt.com. You can buy with confidence at the Car Factory. We are Montana family-owned and operated for over 2 decades. And our great reviews on Google show that people love doing business with us. Stop by today. 4562 State Ave, Billings, Montana